Hey guys, it's Maria again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a great holiday season. I wanted to do this look right here. I wanted to do a New Year's Eve look, but I didn't have the right colors with me and I didn't have the right time, so I thought I would do kind of like a mix of New Year's slash upcoming Valentine's Day look. It's got some pretty pink and warm shades, perfect for Valentine's Day. And I don't know if you can see it that well on the camera, but I promise you it does look very flushed and pink in person. And the palette I pretty much used was the Warm Brown Obsessions Huda Beauty palette. And I'll just kind of open this up right here. Very pretty pink shades. I also did, of course, some colors from the Anastasia Glam Soft Glam palette, excuse me. Sorry, it's a little dirty, but I used these two pink shades right here, and then obviously, I think I used one of these colors for a highlight. So, yeah, if you guys like this look and you want to learn how I did it, then please keep watching. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, bye guys, have a great day.